Okay.
So hello everyone, good afternoon. So we have a problem. We have five problems here. So for the first problem is what load in Newton must be applied to a 25 millimeter round steel bar, 3 meter long to stretch the bar to 1.3 millimeter. So the choices is A is 42,056. B is 52,840, C is 55,016, and D is 44,031. So for the solution is delta L is equals to P times L over A times E. So manipulate lang na to, i-derive lang na to ang formula, which is ang load. So P is equals to delta L times area times modulus of elasticity over L. So i-subject na lang ang mga given. So 0.0013 times pi times 0.025 squared over 4 times 200 times 10 power of 9 over 3. So natin makuha ang load, which is 44,031 Newton, which is the third.